How to open HEIC format on Windows 10 or 11 without the extension. So if you want to open HEIC format on Windows 10 or 11 without the extension, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And then here you need to go with the search and search for cloudconvert.com/HEIC to PNG, and then hit the enter. And it will take you to this kind of interface where you will be able to convert the HEIC file. So you just need to simply go with select file, and from here you can select any file that you're comfortable with, and you just need to simply go with OK. And once you've selected, here you will have the convert button. So in my case, I don't have the HEIC format right now. So if you have that, you just need to simply add the file, and then you will get the convert option. And once you've converted, like once you tap on convert, then it will convert that HEIC format to another. So that's how you can open HEIC format on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.